Question number 3 of exercise 6.2 is in figure, this is the figure, LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. It is given that. Then we have to prove that AM upon AB, AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. So student, it is given that LM and CB are parallel. Similarly, LN and CD are also parallel. So here parallel lines are given here. So we can apply here basic proportionality theorem. So let's start our proof. First we will take this triangle ABC in which this LM is parallel to CD. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. It is given that. So by BPT it means basic proportionality theorem, ratio will be equal. As we know student, if in any triangle one line is drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle, it's divide the other two sides in the same ratio. So according to this theorem BPT, this AM upon MB will equal AL upon LC. AM upon MB will equal AL upon LC. But in this proof part, we want in the denominator AB. So both sides we will add 1. Okay. And before adding 1, first we will take the reciprocal of both the sides. And when we take reciprocal, what we will get? We will get MB upon AM equals to LC upon AL. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Just you have to interchange the position of numerator and denominator. Then both sides we will add 1. Adding 1 both side. What we will get? MB upon AM plus 1 equal LC upon AL plus 1. After that we will take LCM. LCM will be AM. What will remain? MB plus AM equals to, similarly in right hand side also we will take LCM. AL LC plus AL. Okay student, now look at this diagram. MB plus AM. MB plus AM will, we can write, what will be the addition? Addition will be your complete side AB. AB upon AM equals to LC upon AL. In place of LC plus AL, we can write AC. AC upon AL. Now again we will take reciprocal of this, and when we take reciprocal, what we will get? We will get AM upon AB, which is equals to AL upon AC. This one is our equation number 1. Now similarly, now we will take triangle ACD, in which it is given that this LN is parallel to CD. Again we will apply the same procedure and we will get equation number 2. Now in triangle ACD, what is given that? It is given that LN is parallel to CD. So again by basic proportionality theorem, what we will get? We will get AN upon ND equals to AL upon LC. Now similarly we will apply the same process. First we will take the reciprocal, then we will add on the both side 1, and after adding 1 and after taking reciprocal, what we will get? We will get a second equation, and that second equation will be, yes, what will be that second equation? Yes, AN upon AD equals to in right hand side, what we will get? We will get AL upon AC. Okay, this one is our second equation. Now we will compare this equation number 1 with this equation number 2. As you can easily see here, student, in equation 1 and 2, their right hand side parts are equal, so their left hand side part will also equal. Okay, so from 1 and 2, what we will get? We will get AM upon AB equals to AN upon AT. This we have to prove, hence proved. Okay. Question number 4 is, in this particular figure it is given that this line DE is parallel to AC and DF, this line DF is parallel to AE. That we have to prove that this BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. That we have to prove that. Again student, parallel lines are given here, so we can easily apply here BPT. BPT, it means basic proportionality theorem. So let's start the proof. First we will take a triangle in which DE is parallel to AC. So which triangle we will take? Yes, we will take this triangle BAC, in which this line DE is parallel to AC. So in triangle BAC, line DE is parallel to AC. It is given that, so we can easily apply here basic proportionality theorem. And according to this basic proportionality theorem, this parallel line divides other two sides in equal ratio. So what we will get? We will get BD upon DA equal BE upon EC. This one is our equation number 1. Now what is given? That DF is parallel to AE. So now we will take a triangle in which DF is parallel to AE. So again, which triangle we will take, student? We will take this triangle BAE, in which this DF is parallel to AE. So in triangle BAE, what is given? That DF is parallel to AE. It is given that. Okay. So by basic proportionality theorem, BD upon DA equals to BF upon FE. BF upon FE. This one is our equation number 2. Now again we will compare both the equation 1 and equation 2. As you can see here, student, in equation 1 and 2, their left hand side parts are equal. So obviously their right hand side parts will also equal. So from 1 and 2, what we will get? We will get this BE upon EC equals to BF upon FE. Okay. And this we had to prove. So we proved this. Hence proved. Question number 5 is, in this particular given figure, this line DE is parallel to OQ. You can see this line DE is parallel to OQ. And DF is parallel to OR. This DF is parallel to OR. Then we have to show that this line EF will parallel to this line QR. That we have to prove. So student, first we will choose a triangle in which DE is parallel to OQ. As you can see here, this triangle PQO. Okay, we will take this triangle PQO in which DE is parallel to OQ. So we can apply here BPT. So which triangle we will take? In triangle POQ. It is given that DE is parallel to OQ. It is given that. So we can easily apply here basic proportionality theorem, and according to this basic proportionality theorem, this line divides the sides of this triangle into equal ratios. So we will write PD upon DO equal PE upon EQ. This one is our equation number 1. Now we will take another triangle in which DF is parallel to OR. As you can see here, student, DF is parallel to OR. So which triangle we will take? Obviously we will take triangle POR. In triangle POR, what is given that DF is parallel to OR. It is given that. So we can apply here basic proportionality theorem, and according to this basic proportionality theorem, what we will get? PD upon DO will equals to PF upon FR. PF upon FR. This one is our equation number 1. As you can see in this equation number 1 and 2, their left hand sides are equal. So obviously their right hand sides will also equal. So from 1 and 2, what we will get? We will get PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. Okay, student? Let's see, PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. And as we know, according to converse of BPT, it means basic proportionality theorem, if in any triangle sides are dividing into two equal ratios, then this line will parallel to the third side. So now we will apply converse of basic proportionality theorem. So now we will take in triangle PQR. Suppose this one is our equation number 3. PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. What we will write? From 3. So now we can easily apply by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Obviously, this EF line will parallel to QR. EF will parallel to QR, and that we had to prove. So, we proved this. Hence, proved. Okay, student?